What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, I was getting the car ready for Cars and Coffee this morning when I got a knock at the door. The mailman handed me a package, and in that package was a box from iJDMTOY. So, this should be a pretty quick install. We're going to go ahead and set the camera up, open the box, see what's inside, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So, as I said, these are lights from iJDMTOY. They're actually license plate lights, and they're not just bulb replacements. They're actually a little bit more than that. As you see, they are a complete replacement component that has an LED panel built into the backside. Basically just plugs into the bulb socket, and then these go right in place of the original light housing completely. I had LED bulbs in there before, as you may know from watching the previous videos. But after about a year and a half, they started to flash and flicker on me. And I've been pulled over before for having flashy lights on the back by the license plate. So I didn't want to have to worry about that anymore. So what I ended up doing was got a set of these instead. So that way I can replace them and have a full functioning panel instead of just a light bulb. So as you can see, here's a little instruction booklet that comes with. You literally just unplug the bulb, plug this back into the bulb socket, and then put them back in. So we're going to go over to the car, pop the originals out, put these in, and then once it gets a little darker, we'll do a comparison test, and we'll close this thing out. So removing these factory lights is actually fairly simple. As you can see, just by me pushing with my thumb toward the center of the trunk on the edge of the light, the whole entire light moves back and forth. Basically what it is a spring-loaded system on this side that when you push on this side and pull downward, it will disconnect. I like to use a pry tool so I don't scratch anything up, but essentially just push in, get up underneath it, push in, and then pull out. And this side becomes disengaged, and then you can pull the opposite corner right out, and the whole light just comes out like that. So now you have the light out, you have the bulb here, just grab the bulb, twist the housing, and the factory housing comes right off. And again, since we don't need this bulb, I'll go ahead and pull it out, place it inside the housing. I'll go ahead and do the other side, and then we'll reinstall. Alright, so to reinstall this light, I'm just going to grab it, plug it right back into the factory bulb socket, just like that. And now, since this is no longer in the housing, we're probably going to have to push this deeper into the well just to be able to get the clip to clear. But I think if we do it this way, it should work out fine. So put that side in first, push inward, and then up and clip. Alright, so now the driver's side's in. Go ahead and knock out the passenger side, and then give you a little glimpse of both of them installed, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so there's the driver and passenger lights both installed. However, we're going to have to wait a little while to see the result, because as you can see from outside, it is still very much daylight. That said, I'm going to go ahead and get in the car, head down to Cars and Coffee, and see what's going on down there. And once that's over, we'll come back and get the before and afters filmed so you can see what these lights are capable of. So today we're going to go ahead and head out here to Cars and Coffee again in Fayetteville, North Carolina. It's been about 4 or 5 months since I've been to one of these. Between, family trips, work, car maintenance that I couldn't drive the car during that time, really haven't been able to get out here. So I'm hoping that when I get here, I'll find a lot of projects that have been in the works that people have finished and have brought out to be put on display. Just overall just looking for a good time. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting my way there, and once I get there, I'll get the camera set up and we'll start walking around and taking a look at what we got. that's going to do it for this one. As I said, another short, sweet video. I'm going to get this rest of this garage picked up and put away. And as I always say, if you're new to the channel, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are not new and you've been around, thank you for sticking around and enjoying the content and following along in the car with me. With that said, I will see y'all in the next one.